Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to uh, create a Instagram login and sign up page from scratch inside HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. So basically on your screen, let me show you the clone here. So basically this will be a login page that you see inside your Instagram. So whenever you visit Instagram, you will see this login page appearing here. Here you need to enter your phone number, username or email address, and then you need to enter your password, and then there is this login button. So basically you enter your email address and then you enter your password. So then there is this login button. So basically if you hit this login button, you can even log in with Facebook. If you click this forgot password, and also we will be designing the sign up page. If you click sign up, you will be able to sign up on Instagram. So basically you can write all fill out all these details. So in this way guys, you can click sign up. uh, it is not functional, we are just designing the interface here. We are just designing the clone of Instagram, just the sign up and login page. So basically this is the application that we will be building. If you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So we will be building this entirely in HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. We will not be using any sort of third-party framework. So let's start building it. So for this I have written all complete blog post on my tutorial website Coding Shiksha. So I have given the link in the description of the live stream. So you can go to the description of the live stream to copy paste all the source code. So step by step source code is given. So let's start building it. So you will require some knowledge of CSS and HTML in order to design this. So now let me start from clean slate. So let me delete this, also delete the code from here, also delete from here and delete. So we have some images stored inside this guy. This is Apple store. You can see Facebook, Instagram logos. All these things are there. So you need to be having these images beforehand before you design this. So let me just create a new folder here. So make directory Instagram clone. So all these images you will find out at the bottom of the blog post. I have given the GitHub link. So inside all these images are present here. So you can download the GitHub repository. So right here, first of all, guys, you need to make an index.html file. And inside this, you need to paste the images which are there. So let me paste all the images. So this is the images folder. So all these 4 images which are present, I will copy this folder and move it inside here. So you can see that now it contains this images folder, App Store, Facebook, Instagram logo and Play Store. So now inside index.html guys, we will be designing this. So just create a HTML tag here, give it a title, Instagram login page. So let me move it side by side so that we can also see the result. Let me open this. So let me do it side by side so that we can also see the result. So for this guys, we will need some dependencies. So You will need font awesome and all these styles. Let me paste it. So these are the different dependencies you will need here. So simply paste it. So we have successfully pasted here. You can see that we are including style.css, and also we are using this special font net noto sans, and then font awesome we are using. So this is all the official fonts that Instagram website uses. So now inside the body, basically we will need to include the logo. Let me make my image smaller so that you can see clearly what I'm building. So here we will be having a div which will have the class of login. So we will display an image here, image source, and this will be coming from images folder, Instagram logo.png. So now you can see at the right hand side, this Instagram logo has been added here successfully. So after this, source set to nothing. So we will close it. Then we will have a simple input. We will have a class of box1. Type will be text and placeholder will be phone number, username or email. So just close it. Now you will see a input field out there. So basically now we have this input field. So after this input field, guys, we will have another input field for password. Input type box2. Type will be here password, and placeholder will be password, and this should be required. So this is for the password here, you can see that. So now basically we will have a simple button to log in. So this will be, we will be attaching a class of btn, and this will be of type submit. So we are only writing the HTML right now. After this we will write the CSS part. So after this we will have another div tag which will have the class of partition, and inside this we will have three divs which will have classes left, center, and right. And after this we will have a simple sign up box. So this is all the HTML section, guys. Let me paste it for you if you don't want to waste time here. Let me paste it. So basically this is all the basic HTML that we have written here. If I format this, so after this we have this bottom section where we have this sign up with Facebook section, forgot password, and whenever you click sign up, it will redirect to this form which is sign up page. So sign up.html. So we need to create this page, sign up.html. So then we have the download section where you can download the app on App Store and Play Store. And then we have this footer section like this. So this is all the bare bone HTML. If you see here, so it is not looking nice because we haven't applied the CSS yet. You can see all the icons are looking pretty big. So now we will apply the CSS part to it. This is the most important thing for this live stream. So now we will create style.css. So inside style.css guys, so first of all, which class we will target? So first of all, we will remove the margin by writing star here, margin to 0, padding to 0. We will remove margin and padding, and box sizing we will do it border box like this. So now you can see a significant change is there. So all the margin paddings are removed. Then we will change the body color, background color to this color. So this is a color which Instagram uses, FA. This is a shade of white. And then we have to target the login class. So basically inside this class, we need to make the login section height to be 380 pixel, the width to be 347 pixel. So now you can see all the widgets are successfully sized up to this section. After this, we need to change the background color to white. So you can see the background color is changed to white. We also need to add a border of 0.3 pixel solid gains borrow. This is a color, and now basically if I see here, if you see the border here which is appearing right here, so this is a border here which is appearing. So now we need to give it a margin of 3 rem auto. So now you can see, if you see here, it is centered right here. The login form is centered, so we have this margin. So you can also see the border. You can clearly differentiate this white background color. So it is white, but this body background color is not white. It is slightly on the creamier side. So now basically we will style this Instagram image. So we will target IMG. We will first of all target the height 45 pixel. You can see that. Then we will change the width to 170 pixel, and margin we will change to 2 rem, 5.5 rem. So now you can see that guys, it is just styled it automatically, this Instagram image. You can see that it is automatically styled here. Now we need to style these input fields which is there. We will style this box which is login box 1, and then first of all we will change the height to 38 pixel, width to also 265 pixel, and then we will change the margin to 0 rem, 2.5 rem. You can see that. And also we will change the padding to 1 rem, 1 rem. So if you see here, it has got some padding here to this input field, and also there are some more styles remaining here. After this we will provide some border radius which will be 3 pixel. So basically it will make this as round. You can see that. So after this we will have the color RGB 143, 140, 140, and we will now change the background color to this color which is again FA. Outline, we will remove the outline to 0 pixel. So let me copy this HTML code. I think I haven't given this class, that's why it is not reflecting. So basically let me paste this. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that after removing the outline, we will also have border which will be 0.3 pixel solid gains boro, sorry, you can see that. So now this input field is quite ready, guys. You can see that it has count round borders and a similar design which Instagram uses. You can see it has got gray background color similar to Instagram. You can see that. And now basically we will do this for this password input field as well. So it will take some time, but we will do it step by step. So once again, we will say dot login box 2. So if you have any sort of questions, you can also ask. We will change the height to 30 pixel. We will change the width to 265 pixel. We will change the margin to 0.5 rem, 2.5 rem, 2.5 rem. So you can see automatically it is resized. So now we will give it some padding, which is 1 rem, 1 rem. So now it will have some padding. You can see that. So that's why I'm doing it live on so that you can see how it is changing. So border radius, it will have border radius now. It will have round edges. You can also increase it to 30, so it will have more border radius like this. So I need to stick it to 3 pixel. Then we can change the color to RGB. This is the color 143 140, same color. And then most importantly, we need to have the background color. So this is again this color FA, and we need to remove the outline, none, sorry, 0 pixel. And we need to change the border to 0.3 pixel solid gains boro. So you can now see this now has successfully we have made the phone number and password. Now we need to tackle the button. So again dot login, and now we will tackle the button. So for the button we will change the height to 38 pixel. So height will be changed. Now we will change the width to 265 pixel. We will change the margin to 0.7 rem, 2.5 rem. You can see that. So now it is placed at the center. So we will change the color, text color to white, and we will now change the background color to this color RGBA, where so minus D69 0 149 149 246 comma 0.3. So now you can see that this is the color, guys. So again we need to have a border of 0.3 pixel solid gains boro. You can now see. So the button is also ready. We have styled the heading, in phone number, input field, password, and also this button. So now we will style this. When we hover onto this button, we need to add a pseudo class which is hover. So we need to change the color to white and background color to blue. So 0, 146, 236. So colon hover. So basically now if we hover, the color will change to login. You can see that. So this is a pseudo class, and also we need to change the cursor position to pointer. So whenever we change it, the cursor position changes to pointer. So now the button is also complete. Now we come to the partition section. So partition dot left. So here we will change the height to 1 pixel, width to 98 pixel. You can see. So now we are styling this Facebook icon. So we need to have a margin, 1 rem, 2.5 rem. Background color RGB 202 197 comma 197. You can see that. Similarly, we will have for center and right as well. I will paste it, these styles. So just see here. Now this is styled here. Login with Facebook, forgot password. If you see here, we have this section or this section. Now we need to style this Facebook icon which is there. So now we will tackle the Facebook image. So for tackling it, we will target this image class. We will change the height to 25 pixel. So now you can see the image height will change to 25 pixel. We will also change the width to 25 pixel. You can see the width will change to 25, and then the margin is 1.3 rem, 5.5 rem. You can now see. Now it is successfully styled. So now we will style this anchor tag which is login with Facebook. So for styling this bottom A, first of all we will remove this underline which can be done using text decoration to none. So this will remove this underline. Then we will change the text color to this hexadecimal 2C3 E66. You can see that. Then font family, we will change the font family to this one which we have installed, Noto Sans JP. And if this is not available, then we will use sans serif. We will change the font size to 14 pixel, font weight to bold, and we will give it a margin of 1.45 rem minus 5.2 rem. So you can see that. If you see here, it is successfully placed here that we wanted here. So now we will style this section, don't have an account section. So just wait, which is a sign up section. So now we will tackle the sign up section, sign up. So we will change the height first of all to 60 pixel, width to 350 pixel. You can see that. We will change the background color of this section to white. We will change the border to 0.3 pixel, solid Gainsborough. You can now see it has a border here. of this, and also we will place this, we will give it a margin of -2 rem auto. So now it is placed here at the center of the screen, and now we will style this heading, which is h3 heading, which is appearing here, don't have an account. So for this we will also change the font size to 15 pixel. Letter spacing we will change it to -0.3 pixel. We will give it a margin of 1 rem, 4 rem. Font weight we will change to 400, and the font family, again we will use the same font family, Noto Sans JP, and you can see that. And now we will style this anchor element which is appearing here. So sign up. So text decoration we will remove it to none. So font size we will increase it to 13 pixel. Color we will change to this color, 95 F6. Then we will change font weight to bolder. Margin we will apply to 1.1 rem -3.5 rem. Letter spacing we will have 0.9 pixel. You can now see just on the right hand side how it is changing, and again we will use the font family to be the same one. So this font family is used by Instagram official website, Noto Sans JP. You can now see. Up till now guys, if you have any sort of problem, you can ask it in the comment section. And now we will just style these download sections guys, which is appearing right here at the bottom of the screen. So download h3, margin 3.5 rem, 38.7 rem. Font, if you drag down, font size we will change the font size to 15 pixel. Font weight to lighter. Letter spacing to 1.2 pixel, and again font family the same font, Noto Sans JP sans serif. So you can see get the app. So now we will style all these images guys, which is quite handy. If you see here, all these styles are there. For styling these images, there is a image class that we have given, image tag. So we will change the height to 41 pixel, width to 133 pixel, cursor to pointer. So now you can see that all these images is resized. You can see this resized here. So now what we need to do, we need to individually select these images. Download App Store. So we need to provide the margin -2 rem, 0.5 rem, 0 rem, 33 rem. So you can see that. Same goes with this as well. So now you can see it is placed right here at the center. And next we got is our bottom footer section. So these styles are very simple. I will just paste it. Up till now guys, if you have any sort of problem, you can ask in the comment section and also hit the like button. You can now see this is our footer section is also ready. So login page is ready. If I click the sign up page, I need to create this sign up page. So here this, if you click the sign up page here, just click sign up. So now if you click sign up, it will go to this cannot get sign up. Just refresh it. Let me refresh. So now you can see that signup.html. So we will write the markup of this. So it is quite easy to write the markup. So markup of signup.html. So this contains a simple sign up form. So rest of the design will be similar. If you now refresh it, basically this is the design of sign up page. This will again have two fields extra, which is username, password, and full name also. The sign up button, and these images will be present here also at the bottom. So what we need to do is that we need to create this file, which is signup.css. Create this file. So first of all, what we need to do is that, guys, we need to once again let me look here what we need to do. So here first of all we will change the body color to again this color, which is FA. So sign up, we will style this class. We will change the height to 560 pixel, width to 355 pixel. So now you can see it has now got a height of all the fields are uh, there inside this width and height. After this, we need to change the background color to white. We need to give it a border of once again this 0.3 pixel solid gains borrow, and then again we need to give it a margin to rem auto. So now you can see that it is having there inside center. So now we need to style the image, which is once again these styles are there. So this will style this Instagram image right here like this. The styles are pretty much the simple which we used inside previous login page. Then we will style the individual span tags, guys. So the span tags which are appearing here like this, register to watch photos and videos of your friends. And the next span tag, so here we are just giving the same font family which we are giving. You can see that register to watch. After this we will style this button. So basically this button which is appearing login with Facebook, let me paste the style. So now you can see it have this blue color which we have given here. This is a hexadecimal color of this button here, and this has some border radius as well, 5 pixel. Then we have given this border which makes it round here, gains borrow. Cursor changes to pointer, so you can see that. And next what we need to do, we need to style the left, center and right partition. So basically what it will do here, this odd section. So now basically we have the left partition, center partition and the right partition. So all the classes were given to them. So we have changed the height, width, just given the same background color to each of them. You can see that. The middle one has a different background color, which is gray. So after this guys, now we will style our box one, which is input field one, which is mobile number. So the styles are pretty much the same guys, which we have given in the login page. This is the main style, which is this border. We have removed the outline. We have given this background color to this color. The color is this one, the text color, the grayish one. Border radius is 3 pixel. Padding, margin, width. So similarly, we need to style for the second field as well. So these are the styles here for the second field. If I now do, if I paste it to the second style, you will now see the full name will be styled here. You can see here. So all the styles are pretty much the same. You can see that height, width. And now we need to do it for the third input field, which is dot details box 3. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well guys, so you can now see username is also ready. And lastly we will do it for password as well. So just do it for password. So now you can see all the input fields are styled here, password as well. And now basically we will now style this sign up button. For just doing this sign up process guys, we will have a different background color to it, which will be this color, blue color. When we, you can now see we have given this background color, which is this one, RGBA. So this is a background color that we have given. So now when we hover onto this, we need to change its background color to blue. So now basically we can add a pseudo class to it of underscore hover. So now basically if I hover onto this, you will now see this background color will change to blue. You can have any color of your choice. This can also be yellow, totally up to you which color you want to have. So I'm using this blue color. You can see that it clearly matches with the design of Instagram. So then lastly guys, we have this terms and conditions. We can style this also. So basically text decoration, we will remove it. You will now see by signing up to terms and condition. So this is the next span tag. Now you can see that it has some grayish color. So then we will target this login box, all this, you will target this login box here. So if you paste it here, the styles here, now you can see it will have this own input field. It has its own border, background color, and it is now looking pretty good. So if you click login page, it will go to the login page. If you click sign up, it will go to the sign up page. So it is clearly functional here. So these apps are also styled here. You can see that you can apps are also styled. So lastly, we need to style these images, which is App Store and Play Store. Just paste it also here. So this completes our Instagram UI clone, which contains the sign up and login pages. So this is all made up of vanilla HTML, CSS, and uh, HTML and CSS, guys. So no JavaScript is used here. No external framework is also used. So it is clearly made up of HTML and CSS. No framework we are used, Bootstrap or any framework, material framework. It is clearly used in using HTML and CSS. So you can now see sign up and login page. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more coding live streams like this. I am planning to do more. In this day I have done 2, so I am clearly planning to do more. If you guys will like it, please comment on this live stream as well. And now you can ask your questions. If you have any sort of questions that you want to ask, I will reply to your questions. So Anil Singh is saying, nice, hi sir, why don't you read comments? So I'm just developing it, so that's why I forgot to read your comments. No, the height must be 2 pixel. Yeah, I understand. So thanks very much, guys, for liking the content and for your response. I highly appreciate it. And let me remove the JavaScript part because JavaScript is not used here. So let me remove it from the title because people will get say that you are not using JavaScript, so why you have. Let me click save. So if you want to get the source code, guys, you can go to the description of the live stream and you can get all the source code. So I have given all this source code. So thanks very much for watching this live stream, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.